Uh, Good evening, everybody. I am Sahit. Today I am here to discuss about the project, the web programming project that we have actually done, and my contribution towards it. Basically, we need to design a shopping cart page uh, with the features prescribed by the client, such as having a card, having a discount, having a checkout page, having a login page, etc. So we have finally designed a shopping cart page using the following code. In this code we have uh, we I think 10 components. As you can see, we have cart component, checkout component, contact component, home component, login component, navbar component, product view component, product display component, profile component, and register component. So uh, let me not go into detail of everything. I will be explaining my part, that is cart component. Here the cart component comes after the navbar component. And here I have written a div style, which is text align, welcome to the cart heading. Then I have taken a container and inserted a table like product, price and quantity. Then I have taken a for loop in the body of the table, so that the list of the cart items can be iterated using ngFor. I have similarly taken again a data td named as product, and then I've taken a div class name row, and first I have inserted an image, then I have inserted the title of the product, then I have inserted the description of the product, and then I have closed the div tag, similarly the td tag. Then I have again opened the td tag, which is named as price, then I have listed here the price. Then I have taken a button, plus and minus button, which means we can either increase the quantity or decrease the quantity so as to satisfy our needs. So these are the buttons, and this is the input field where we can see the change in the text, and we are also seeing the class actions, where we can see if we want to delete that product, we can automatically delete from here. Then we are also seeing a continue shopping button, where we can move on to continue shopping and proceed to payment. Then we can see the checkout option also. Let me go to cart component.ts. Here what I have used is, I have taken a user ID named any of type any, cart items, result, cart length, quantity, and plus status. These are all the things that I have taken here in the TS component. Then I initialize a constructor, private service, service, router service, and activated router service. Then I initialize this in the ng on init using the this keyword, this dot user id equal this dot root snapshot. Then I have written the method get cart items. I need to retrieve the cart items from the backend, so that's a method for this. This dot service dot get cart items means it gets the cart items using the user id. Dot subscribe is a method where from which we can retrieve the data which is written in a form that is understandable to computer to human readable form. Then I am checking whether it is actually printing or not. Then I am written methods for increasing and decreasing quantity. So these are the two methods. And then I have written a method for removing a product from the cart and also the checkout page. And coming to CSS, this is the CSS part. I have written a float, left, right, body, and table cart, footer, etc. Thank you. Then we look at the checkout component as well. It is similar to the cart component, except that we can see that it doesn't have anything apart from this fact that it has, if it is order is placed, then it should print order placed successfully. Otherwise it should review the order once again. So the same thing is written here, like it's written as a review order. First we'll review the order, whether the product that we have purchased is the same or not. Then we display the title, quantity, need and price. Then we calculate the total price for quantities that are purchased, and then we move on to see the credit payment methods. So here we have a secure payment and card type. We are asking about Visa, MasterCard, American or Discover. Then we see credit card number, expiration date, those all things. Similar to the one that we usually see in Flipkart and Amazon pages. And coming to the TS part, as I have mentioned earlier, the similar one, get cart items. It will first get the cart items, then it will place the order. So we need to print the address. So is the address is displaying correctly or not? So that's why I'm checking it. Then it is trying to see that it's placing the order. So we are writing this dot service dot place order. So getting all the details here, and then we are printing the message order is completed, alert order is placed. Then we are navigating to home page.